Stay down.
Every county in America and every state in America is financially incentivized to ruin families.
He is my only son.
I release you from jail today. Where will you go?
There's always been some form of child support. The child support we're talking about now is relatively new.
There's a crisis now that's being recognized by social scientists as being the most detrimental crisis we face.
We need to have a system which takes divorce primarily out of the court.
When you're standing there in front of the judge, you kind of feel like a criminal.
It's the nurturing, it's the caring for, it's the understanding, it's the being there. These are your children.
No relationship with the child, not my child, don't know the child. I've still been called a liar, a loser, a deadbeat, a sperm donor.
It must be nice, you know, getting a paycheck for having a child, and I'm like, you just don't get it.
We've been trying all the other options for 30 years. That's clearly leading to a disaster.
What it does is it puts a bounty on the children's heads.
You may not be able to contact the mother. In my situation, we both have no contact orders. So who do you contact?
How is it that these low-income guys, who don't even have steady work in many cases, are capable of owing this much money in child support? Isn't there a problem with the system?
The court said I could contact her parents. Well, her parents didn't want to speak to me.
The proportion of people who have children who recognize the demands that are going to be made upon them financially, emotionally, and physically, very, very small. One of the primary reasons people wind up being divorced.
Well, you can deal with my ex-husband. He happens to be in the law enforcement industry.
And I proved to them that I was actually paying as much as I could when I was employed, and that I had actually paid 75% of my obligations for the past year. That was totally immaterial. I was jailed. I was put in handcuffs.
They terminated my parental rights.
Why would they do that?
I really have no idea.
You figure that there's a system out there trying to help you out, but they ain't trying to help you out.
I just think that there needs to be more rights for fathers.
The intelligent thing we can say about men and women in America is we need each other.